Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create Temple Wallet account. First of all, open the Temple Wallet app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to this login page. Here, tap on the Create New Wallet button and you will be prompted to create a new password. While entering it, keep in mind to create a password that fulfills the standard. Once you are done with it, type it again and then checkmark these if you prefer them. Now, accept terms and tap on the Create button. After that, you will ask to either back up your secret phrase manually or using iCloud if you are on iPhone. So, I will choose the second one and then write this phrase somewhere safe. After you have backed it up, checkmark this statement and tap on the Next button. Now, you will be prompted to enter the required words from the phrase to verify the backup. Once you are done, tap on the Confirm button and your wallet will be created. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.